Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix video file cannot be played with error code 224003. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Google Chrome, then press on the three dots on the top right. Then you need to go to settings. On settings you need to go to privacy and security. Then here you need to find delete browsing data. Then select all time here and then delete cookies and other site data and cached files and images. Or you can go advanced also, and if you want to, you can delete browsing history and download history, but these two options is more important, right? And then what you need to do here is to delete data, then restart browser, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you just need to write acceleration and make sure this option is disabled, then relaunch the Google Chrome and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, sometimes it can be extensions, so you just need to press on three dots, look for manage extensions, so it can be here, manage extensions, and then disable all the extensions and look if the problem persists or not. And that's basically what you need to do here. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.